Hello there. I'm going to try a little Maven mission with my DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. And without further ado, here we go. Get going, buddy. Okay. Instead of boring you with everything else, I'll turn that back on and catch it when it gets back here done with this mission. I gotta keep an eye on it too. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate how to catch your Mavic Air Pro in high wind conditions. I said Mavic Air Pro, but it's a Mavic Air 2. First of all, you got to have all the right equipment. Wish I could make it start videoing. Let's see what it does here. Oh, we got the video going, so we're gonna get this at 2 angles. Holy smokes. Nothing like flying nose in, trying to catch your drone. Okay, she's pretty stable. And that's how you catch your drone.